Crypto trading for beginners. The best meme coin trading strategy using DexScreener and Phantom wallets. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Buying a meme coin is easy, but choosing the right one at the right time and knowing exactly when to buy and sell, that is where most beginners lose money. I repeat, that is where most beginners like you watching me lose money. Today, I will show you a simple, safe, step-by-step educational strategy using DexScreener and Phantom wallets to help you analyze meme coins like a pro, even if you are a complete beginner. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not giving financial advice and I'm not telling you to buy or sell any assets. My goal is to help you understand the tools, indicators, and analysis method so you can learn safely and make informed decisions on your own. Now, here is the real challenge most beginners face. People jump into meme coins without any proper check. They buy either a friend mentioned it, or because it is trending, or because they saw a pump on TikTok. Now, the results: they either buy too late, sell too early, or hold too long, and the entire move disappears. But when you understand a few tools, like I will give you two today in this tutorial, I will explain everything for you how to use it, and you use DexScreener and you use DexScreener filter correctly, then things become clearer for you. Listen, this will help you remove a lot of guesswork and helps you analyze the market with structure and confidence. So first, you need two free tools as I mentioned. The first one is DexScreener. DexScreener is a live chart platform. Chart, C-H-A-R-T. It's a live chart platform where you can track new tokens and analyze data. The second one is Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is a secure wallet for the Solana blockchain where you can store and trade your coins. So to get these free tools, go to Play Store or App Store. Click on search, then type DexScreener, enter. Here you have it, then install it. Same thing as Phantom Wallet. Type it, then you have it. Now you can install it on your phone. After the successful installation, open the app. That is DexScreener. So here is the DexScreener homepage interface. Step number 1, set the right filters on the DexScreener. First thing, set the time to 24 hours view. So click on it, then ensure it is 24 hours time. This shows how the token is performing today. Next is to click on this sort, then sort by price change up 24 hours. Price change up 24 hours. So click on this one. Good. Drag this to the left. Yes. To go look for volume. Good. This is volume. Click on volume. Set volume minimum to $500,000. $500,000. Then click apply. You know why? This means people are actually trading the coin. Low volume coin are very risky and may be illiquid. Next, set the pair age. Click on this minimum hours and put 168 hours there. 168 hours equals to 7 days. You can do the calculation. Putting it 168 hours, which is 7 days, helps to protect beginners from very new tokens that can disappear quickly. Tokens less than 7 days old can be unstable or risky. So filtering them out brings more stability. So click on apply. The next one is market cap. Click on market cap. Set market cap minimum to $250,000. Then click on apply. This shows the coin has some level of community and activity. But listen to this important rule. In many cases, we usually filter that market cap should be more than volume. But in this case, volume should usually be higher than the market cap. It simply means many people are actively trading the coin. So once these filters are ready, you will see different list of coins that meet safer basic criteria. By now, we are done with step 1, which is setting the right filters on DexScreener. We are done with it. Let's move straight to step 2 now, which is proper verification before you buy. So let me click on a token to tutor you about the step 2. Before I go, let me show you some things here. Look at this the volume here is what? $1.8 million, while the market cap is just $630,000. So you have to check very well before you click on any coin. This coin owned is $1.2 million, that is volume, while the market cap is $1.4 million. So based on what we filter, it's okay like this. But let me click on this first one. So based on the step 2, we want to check if the coin is safe to research further. So before jumping into any coin, let's verify these 3 things. 1, market cap versus volume. I have explained. You can still see it here again. Based on this coin, this is the market cap, this is the volume. Volume should be higher than the market cap. That is first one. Second one is logged liquidity. You will see it here. This is what we call logged liquidity. This is liquidity, and we are seeing something like a padlock there. That is logged liquidity. So look for a padlock icon on a DexScreener. That means the liquidity is locked. So the creators can't easily withdraw all the funds and disappear. Third one is audit information. So how are we going to get there? Just keep scrolling down, keep scrolling down. Oh, good. Now you can see audit around here. This is audit. Just click on this drop down icon. Good. Now look at it. Mintable, no. Freezable, no. I know many of you will be wondering what is mintable, what is freezable. So before you ask, let me educate you about it. Mintable means new tokens can still be created, which can cause inflation and devalue your holding. So seeing it know like this is a green light for us. Then for freezable, freezable means developers can freeze the wallet. Not something you want in a fair token, right? Good. So no is a green light for us. Let's move on. Then this one also, yes, this reaction you are seeing here, these two should be greater than what you are seeing here. All right, this red flag or whatever, we don't want it. So this one is a good signal, good reaction that this is a good token. Now let's go for the bonus safety check. To double check any meme coins, use Telegram's TTF bot. So let's scroll up again. Good. Before we go to look for the Telegram TTF bot, we want to copy this coin's contract address. How are we going to do that? Click on this icon. Good. Click it. Good. Access copy to clipboard. Good. It has been copied. Then click on search icon on Telegram. Now type TTF bot. Good. This is it. Click it. Now paste the contract address of the coin you copied. Paste it here. Now click on enter. So we are waiting for the feedback from this bot. Good. We have seen it. Now this is the feedback. Let's go through it step by step. This TTF bot will show you details like whether the ownership is renounced, which means developer gave up control. 2, it will show us details like the top holder percentage. 3, if liquidity is still safe. 4, whether the coin is mintable or not. But hold this secret somewhere. A healthy coin should have renounced ownership, locked liquidity, and top 10 holders owing less than 30% of total supply. If any token fails these checks, then skip it. There will always be another opportunity. Just go back, pick another coin. So let's check this one. First of all, I may not buy this coin because of what I'm seeing here. Mutable metadata. But every other thing, I think it's okay. Ownership is renounced. Liquidity, I cannot buy this coin. Liquidity is unlocked. You see that this coin is not safe. Using this bot now help us to see it very well. It's not safe. I've seen 2 things that make me not to like this coin. Top 10 holders are holding less than 30%. That one is good. It's okay. So let me go and bring another coin. Come back, then I pick another one. Copy the contract address, paste, enter. Good. Now look at this one. Wow, I love this one. Let me show you. Looks clean to me. That is recommendation from this bot that this coin looks clean to me. It's a serious green light and go ahead for us. That is not all. You still need to consider other things. Okay? Age, yes, very, very important. We need to consider the age. You know, we have filtered this thing now. So we need to check the age of the coin. This one is 26 days. It's okay. Now look at the liquidity. 100% secured. That is what we want. That is not all. Look at these top 10 holders. Less than 30%. If a coin with top 10 holders having more than 30%, then that coin is not safe because probably those top 10% may be a group of people working together to scam. So they will pump, and at the same time, when it is time, they will report everybody and many people will lose their money. So this is a good coin. Let's go further. All this mintable, no. Freezable, no. So it's okay. Now, despite all this safety research, you are not looking for perfection. Yes, it's just to reduce unnecessary risk. In Anugo, we have done step step 1 and now we are done with step 2. Now let's move straight to step 3, which is moving to charts. I mean CHART. So from here, click on this chart. First thing, switch from either 5 minutes, I don't know how it's showing on your own chart there, whatever the time frame, make sure you switch to 15 minutes time frame. Higher time frames reduce noise and give a clearer picture. So put it 15 minutes. Good. Now this is 15 minutes. Step 4 now, add your indicators. You know I promise you that I want to show you 2 tools many people don't know. I will give you freely now. So add your indicators. That is our step 4. To do that, slide this time frame to the left like this. Moving. Good. I think I've seen what I'm looking for. Now click on this FX. Good. The first of the indicators we want to use now is called SuperTrend. Let me type it. SuperTrend. Good. I've seen it. So this is it. SuperTrend. Now, what is SuperTrend indicator? Think of SuperTrend as simple trend assistant. Okay, let me demonstrate it for you. First, let us click on it. Click it. Good. You see, as I click on it, you see the color difference, because some people will be confused like, have I clicked it or not? You see color difference. This is the color. It indicates that you have clicked it and it has been activated to the chart. Okay, let's go and check. Click on this to cancel. Good. Now you are seeing it here. This is our super trend. Let me show you the second one. Let me slide like this. Is it? Oh, good. We have seen it. We have seen the second one. This, look at this color. You see green color here and you see red color here. Yes, this is a very, very good indicator. Red here and green here. So let me educate you about it. Let me zoom in. Now let me leave it like this. If you observe carefully, you see that this green line, it falls below the price. And when it falls below the price, this is price. Let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm talking about. All this candle you are seeing, you see red candle, you see green candle, they are prices, price movement. But look at the super trend we are talking about. The green light here is under those candles. And anytime it's under those candles, what usually happens? Let me zoom in. What happened to the movement, the price movement? It's going up, which means green line below the price equals to market my trend upward. Green line, I repeat, green line below the price equals to market my trend upward. And see, this is not about theory aspect. It's about practical something you are seeing. Look at it. When you see green light under the price, below the price, what happened to the market? The green light started from here. If I were you now, when I observe green light like this, I will forecast like possible there's going to be bullish. That is market uptrend. Now what happened after then? Let's trace it again. Let's trace it again. See how the market shoots up. Now that is one aspect of super trend, which is this green line. Another one is the red line. What does it mean? This is red line. I think we have seen red line here. See red line. When you see red line, what happened? Let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm talking about. What happened when you see the red line? First, you observe something that this red line is above the market price. Above. Look at the red line. Above. This is the market prices. And the red line is above it, not below like green line. What does that indicate? Okay, when we see the red line, what happened to the market? Downtrend. If you are very smart, I think you will grab this expo I'm giving you now. So please, if you are very new to my channel and you are really enjoying my tutorial, please, I beg you, there are things you do for me. I will continue with this. I want to train you so that you can understand crypto trading very well. See, crypto trading is sweet if you see someone that can actually teach you confidently and practically. So if you know you have benefited from my channel, I beg you, please share this video. These are the things you can do to help my channel grow more. Share this video to groups, to any way. Help me to share it. If you cannot give me money and share my video, you are still helping now. And make sure you to subscribe and give me like on this video. Please like it. If you have questions, drop for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. And do you want to enroll for my course? Check the pinned comments. You see link to connect with me and go enroll for my course as well. So let's move on. Let me show you one more about the red line. So for instance, look at this green line and what happened to the market? Up. So let's go and look for another red line. Anywhere you see red line, do I need to tell you again? You see red line here, what happened? And when you see red line, that green line disappear because they are indicating different things entirely. When you see the red line, so for instance, now look at it, see the red line up. Are you seeing it from here? If I were you, I'm holding a coin and I'm thinking like, should I sell this coin now? I think I'm okay with the profit, or I should continue holding it. This indicator will help you know either to buy coin now or to pend it. It will help you to analyze market, to indicate the movement of the market price. So let me keep scrolling so that you can be seeing it, seeing it, seeing it. You see, you see, you see, you see. Are you seeing it? So let me clear the air. Although it does not guarantee profit, but it simply helps you understand whether the trend is currently strong or weak. I am not giving you any guarantee. No, my own is just to give you information, then go and utilize it. I think I promised you 2 indicators and I have trained you with the first one, which is SuperTrend. Let me hide the SuperTrend so that I can bring the second indicator and be able to train you where with it. Let me hide it. How am I going to hide it? Let me quickly train you with that. Click on this line. That is the SuperTrend line. Good. Now look at what I'm saying here. When clicked, I'm seeing these buttons. Like, what do I want to do with this? For it, I can click on this for further information about this, or this is just a shortcut. I'll click on this eye icon. Click on it, then it will temporarily disappear. Good. We don't see it again. So let me leave it there for now. Now, let's go back to where we get the indicator to go bring another indicator called Bollinger Band. Click on FX again. Now we can type to search for Bollinger Band, or I think the letter start with B. So we can easily see it from here now. After A is B, right? Oh, good. I've seen it. This is it. Bollinger Bands. It's not Bollinger Band percentage B you are seeing here. No, it's not Bollinger Bands with or whatever. It's ordinary Bollinger Bands. So click on it. You see, when clicked, you see that it has been activated because you see the color difference here, right? So let's go back to the chart. Now we are seeing our Bollinger Bands. If you are new to my tutorial, you are used to my channel very well. You know, I have trained you about Bollinger Bands very well. So I think seeing this or watching this tutorial is just a bonus for you to understand it more. So Bollinger Band shows volatility. That is how fast price is moving. And they have 3 lines. That is upper band, middle band, and lower band. I hope you guys are following. Let me give you this simple explanation about this. Let me zoom it in. Okay, I think we can see it like this. Well, good. When price touches the upper band, then it implies that the coin may be overbought. They are buying, 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 and it is going up, trending. Then it may be overbought. That is the signal. And when overbought, what happened to the trend? Is it still uptrending or downtrend? Look at it now. Do I need to tell you? Look at it. The market come down. So once it has touched the upper band, it means that the coin has been overbought. And when price touches the lower band, this is the lower band, it implies that the coin may have been oversold. And what will now happen to the market? Uptrend. Let me show you another sample. Maybe you can get it from here. Look at it here. I think I've been seeing some here. I bet I just want to show you. Look at, I can see one here, right? Let me see, come here and show you. Look at another one here. Look at it here. Once it touched the lower band, what happened to the market? Up. And when it touched the upper band, what happened to the market? Downtrend. You see another one? When it touched the upper band of the Bollinger Band, what happened? Downtrend. When it touched the downtrend again, up. Crypto is sweet. So let's move on. Let me show you another one. Look at something here. Yes. Let me start from here. When the bands are tight, you know, I said the band has 3 lines: upper band, lower band, and middle band. When they tight means they are like coming to mate. It's another indication for the traders. They are like coming to mate. Something that is wide open like this, but suddenly you see like it's coming to mate. Squeeze. What does that mean? So let me now show you. I will be scrolling now so that you can see it. Good. You see? Let me show you so that you can see what happened here. Now look at it here. It's squeeze. Upper band and lower band try to squeeze. Then what happened? When the bands are tight, then the market is quiet. After the quiet moment, what happened after then? When the bands are trying to expand, what happened? Market shoot up. So it's either market will shoot up or shut down. Uptrend or downtrend. Something must actually happen. happen, either greater high or greater dip. So when the bands expand, this is the expansion, it's expanding, trying to expand. So when the band expands like this or expanding, then that is the time that the movement will be increasing. The increasing may not be either up or down, but the movement will increase. So anytime you see situation like this squeeze, you know that the market is quiet at that moment. Just be watching. You know that by the time the band are expanding, something will actually happen. I know you'll be confused, like, then when expanding, how do I know either it's uptrend or downtrend? That will be another challenge for you. I'm still heading there. So these two indicators help beginners view the market clearly. Let me go and turn on the SuperTrend. I'll click on this icon again. Good, I've on it. So if you are skeptical, maybe by the time the band is expanding, which you know the movement will increase, but you are skeptical, are we going to have uptrend or downtrend? Then you can make use of the second indicator. When I turn on my indicator, what happened to the indicator? I have trained you about this now. I don't need to repeat myself. So if I were you at this junction, I have wait to see what will happen, and when I use the second indicator, I am seeing green light surfacing. Do I need to tell you either it's uptrend or downtrend again? No. I know you are a good student. You know what is happening. So I'll be using both indicators now to guide you about this. Now look at another squeeze. I have trained you. I know you are following and you are a brilliant student now. I know. Please give me a like on this video if you find it interesting. So this is another squeeze, which is quiet moment, quiet period. Yeah. And after that, there's expansion of the Bollinger Band. What now happened to the market? The movement is increasing. And what happened based on the super trend? What color are you seeing? And the color is appearing where? Below the price. And they are good indication for traders. So if I continue showing you now, you'll be seeing, I think this is where we are now. And about the Bollinger Bands, when the price touches the upper band, when the price touches the lower band, when it's squeezed, when it's trying to expand, I have trained you enough, and I believe you really understand this thing, right? Please share this video, please. So step 5, understanding the buy and sell idea. So here is how to interpret the charts. Assuming your mission is just to buy coin, so let's treat that one first, to buy, then we will move next to sell. Assuming you want to buy coin now and you need interpretation to know either to buy or not, then I'm going to give you these 3 hints. The first one is price at the lower Bollinger Band. I repeat, price at the lower Bollinger Band. You know, this is just a revision based on what I have told you before. Just note it down. First, price at the lower Bollinger Band, which indicate that token may have been oversold. 2, super trend turns green below the candles. I repeat, super trend turns green below the candle, which implies that the trend may be gaining strength. The third one, Bollinger Band begins expanding. This indicates that the market is waking up and volatility increasing. So these 3 combinations suggest buyers may be stepping in. Now let's move to the sell signal interpretation. That is if you have coin before and you are thinking about either to sell or not. So that is sell signal interpretation. So number 1, super trend turns red above the price. 2, price touches upper band, which is overbought zone. 3, Bollinger Bands start squeezing, and that time market will slow down. So these 3 indication now, you need it to know when to come in. You know, you have to work together. I think I've shown you this thing now, how to use it to know either to buy it or to sell. Again and again, this is educational charts reading and not a guaranteed prediction. Step number 6. Indicators are tools. They are not your magic answers. Your job as a trader is to observe, confirm, manage your risk, and never rely on one single signal. And this is why beginners love super trend plus Bollinger Bands. They are so easy to understand and visually clear. So to buy this token now, I'll show you how to copy the coin contract address. Copy it, go to your Phantom wallet, then swap to the coin and trade. Make your money, enjoy yourself. Again, this is just educational chart trading and not a guaranteed prediction. If you found this breakdown helpful, kindly like this video, drop a comment telling me what topic you want next, and subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. This channel is all about beginner learning crypto trading safely and clearly, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next videos.